In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Looker Studio with Google Analytics. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on blank report once you are inside your Looker Studio, and you can go ahead and start by creating your report. There we go. And then your connections are going to open up. So these are the Google connectors over here. If you want to use Looker Studio with Google Analytics, you want to click on over here where it says Google Analytics. And basically, first you will have to just go ahead and authorize. Now, you can do this very easily. You just want to click on a button, so it's going to look something like this. It's going to say authorize, and then you can basically just sign into your account, connect it to your Google Analytics, and after that you'll be able to see, you can see your different accounts over here, and you can see your properties. You can just click on the one you would like, and you can go ahead and add in that data to your report by clicking add at the down bottom right. And then it's going to start loading, adding data in there, and then you're going to click on add to report. Yet again, it's going to basically add it in here. There we go. And then you can go ahead and customize whatever you want. Here on the right, you can see you have a bunch of different things. You can insert in different graphs, different things, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.